Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying capacity and safety. This is not optional. Check that the stabilizer VA rating meets or exceeds the AC peak load, and confirm input voltage and polarity match mains. Once done, switch off the AC at the remote, then isolate power at the breaker. Unplug the AC from the wall. Make sure the stabilizer is on a flat, ventilated surface and its input breaker is open. These steps prevent sparks and protect sensitive compressor electronics, so do them deliberately and in order. Now you wire the stabilizer to the mains and AC. First, connect the stabilizer input, live, neutral, and earth to the corresponding mains terminals. Ensure proper grounding. Next, route the stabilizer output live and neutral to the AC power cord terminals. Observe polarity. Use appropriate gauge cable, typically 14 AWG or thicker for split systems. Strip and insert conductors, then torque screws securely. Once connected, double-check terminal labels and confirm no loose strands. This ensures stable voltage delivery. You finish by bringing the system live in controlled sequence. Close the stabilizer input breaker first, then enable the stabilizer output and wait for the stabilization indicator or voltage meter to settle. Once stable, plug in and switch on the AC. Observe the compressor start, fan speed, and voltage reading. If the AC fails to start, trips breakers, or makes odd noises, shut everything down immediately and recheck wiring, terminal tightness, and earth continuity. Troubleshooting tip: most faults are loose connections or missing ground. Correct those before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.